What's up guys, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I am going to go ahead and unbox and review the Earfun Air Pro 2s. Now these are active noise canceling wireless earbuds. I have reviewed the Earfun Pro 1s and these are the new and improved version. I hope you guys stick through to the end of this video. They're supposed to be the best earbuds for about $50 and under, and I am excited to go ahead and unbox and review these. Now if you haven't checked out my original video on the Earfun Air Pros, do so on the channel. You could find that video in our history and compare them to these. I'm excited to do it. Now before I go ahead and unbox it and review these and compare them, please go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out techvisibility.com if you have not done so already. We would appreciate it. Let's get into this unboxing and review of the Earfun Pro 2s. Thank you. Earfun Air Pro 2s, IPX5 waterproof, 6 mics noise canceling. Usually we see 4. 34-hour playtime on the earbuds with the charging case, active noise canceling. This sounds amazing so far. They have their service email right there in case you have any problems. On the other side, it's a Bluetooth 5.2 product. That's really good as well for latency. And here we go. You get the Earfun Air Pro 2s, the charging case, 3 times the tips on, or 3 different sizes on each ear, the USB-C cable, a user manual. Now, hybrid active noise cancellation, they advertise up to 40 decibels reduction, multi-microphone noise cancellation technology for a clarity of call, 10mm titanium drivers. Titanium's is the best you could get in earbuds, and you're going to get superior sound. 34-hour playtime, now 7 hours on the each Earfun Air Pro 2s. And the charging case will give you an additional 27 hours. So you could charge it up to 3.25 times, I guess, or 3.5. Single earbud mode, so you could play it left or right. IPX5 waterproof with sweat shield. Ooh, that's good. That means you could work out with these. Wireless charging, that's huge. In my opinion, wireless charging is one of the better features. Transparency mode allows ambient sound and intuitive touch and volume controls. Can't wait to open these up. Let's get my shrink wrap. This packaging looks simple. Here we go. Boom, one side, 2. We'll even do the 3rd side. All right. So now that we have done that, we'll remove the shrink wrap, the best part of any unboxing video. The case pops open like that. There's a little cushion here so the case doesn't get damaged. This is what you get, guys. And I'll be honest with you, it looks great. So pull them out, a little bit of a girthier case, heavy definitely. I felt that from my first impression. And then this pops out as well, so you could see what's inside. We'll review the case after, obviously. But you open it this way, and you have your user manual, some lettering and cleaning instructions, I guess. Your tips, let's look at the tips. This is side A. And that's side B, so they separate them for you in this little baggie. All right, that's them right here. So an additional 3 sizes for a total of 4, and that's pretty much it here. Okay, and then side B, oh, excuse me, there's, oh wow, you get more than that, guys. You get a total of 5, excuse me. And side B, or these are just different colors, I apologize. So you get a choice of color in your life. So that's it. That's the ear tips you could put in. And then you get your USB-A to USB-C, okay? So that's pretty much it. Let's look at the manual really quick. And it should be pretty simple here to use. The fit should fit in your ear, and then you twist it down. It should be tight, so that's why they give you extra ear tips. And pairing is super simple. There is a reset button. Now, playing music, you double tap twice on the left ear for play and pause. Next track is triple tap. Previous track is triple tap on the left. Next is on the right, a triple tap. Volume up is a single tap and looks like a hold on the right, and volume down on the left. Answer and call is a double tap on either one. Reject the call is a tap and hold. and answer and transfer 2 calls is a triple tap on each. Voice assistant, you could tap and hold for 2 seconds to pull it up. Noise canceling mode. On the left, you hold for 2 seconds. So that means that a volume is just a tap. Okay, and ambient sound normal mode is 2 seconds on the left. So you have to have the left in, it looks like, versus the right if you're going to be making calls or trying to do transparency mode. So that's the manual right there. Let's look at the case. You have very interesting packaging. A lot of companies are going with that type of packaging design. And here they are. Nice cover. The cover will not close by itself, so you have to snap it down. I do appreciate that for whatever reason. There's a little sticker on here to prevent overcharging, and really good magnets on these things, so they pop right in. You do that and they're in. Remove the little magnet protector. Left and right indicator. Piano gloss finish. Huge drivers here. It looks like a titanium tweeter inside with a stainless steel mesh. There's a pair button in case you need to repair these. You hold that button. There's a charging indicator at the bottom which lights up green. Now I'm going to get all these ear tips out of the way. I'm going to see if the medium ear tips, which pretty much do fit me most of the time, will work well. So let's get these paired up. And here you can see they're entering pairing mode. So let's get these paired up with phone. Now I'm using an iPhone iOS device here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop open the Earfun Air Pro 2's connect. That's how simple it is. Again, if you don't connect, you just hold this button down, enter Bluetooth mode, it's connected. The feel of these is great. Now what you do is you pop them in and you pull them down so it fits really well. Already I'm getting noise canceling. On the left ear, I'm gonna hold it for 2 seconds, and I'm getting ambient sound, normal, and now it's noise canceling. So you could switch modes by just holding the left ear, okay? Let's go ahead and play a song. First, I'm gonna play a rap song, and I'm gonna see how these sound. I pretty much play the same song just to hear them out, and here we go. Lots of bass with these guys. You're getting good bass, very good noise canceling. Let me see. All right. So I'm now in ambient sound. I never switch sides, like even when I die. They sound pretty good. Again, the rap song has very clear lyrics, very good bass. These earphones are on notch or on top of what I thought they would be. Now, originally when I reviewed the Earfun Air Pros, I was impressed. The Earfun Air Pro 2s now have wireless charging. They're better built in my opinion. The sound, it definitely sounds a lot better. All right, here we go. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever. Oh yeah. So I'm playing a rap song. The sound is great on these Earfun Air Pro 2s. Good bass, not too much where I'm like, oh my god, that's too much bass. It's clear. You could bump these. These fit well. I can't knock them out of my ear. The medium ear tip that came with it fits really well. I don't think you should change them if they fit well off the bat. The rap sound sounds great. Let me go ahead. I can't even hear myself talk because it's in noise canceling mode. All I hear is music. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and play a different song now, and here we go.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my...
Very good quality, okay? I'm getting really crisp mids, good lows. Not as much bass on this song, but that's what song I opted for. So, pretty good. I can't complain. The Earfun Air Pro 2s are really good. I'm going to turn off noise canceling just because I want to hear some ambient sound around. So I tap and hold. There we go. One thing about the Earfun Air Pro 2s, now I can hear myself talk with the ambient sound on, is while playing a song, you switch modes, you could barely hear which mode you're in. So the woman that'll speak in the Asian voice will say ambient sound, but it's so quiet, and if you have music playing, you don't know which mode you're in. The only way I know now is because I can hear myself talk. And the microphones that are on these earbuds, and there are 6, if we look at it here, there's 2 mics, there's another one here, so that's 3. So there's a total up, looks like another one here, I believe. So 1, 2, 3, probably 3 on these, and then 3 on the others. That's how they're advertising 6. But what's great about these is you can hear yourself talk, but at the same time, it sounds very clear with music as well. And in ambient mode, you can hear what surrounding sound is generating or things that are happening around you, which is important. So the microphones are refeeding everything that I'm saying back into the earbud, and they're making it sound like I could hear myself talk, which I love for phone calls. Now let's test out a phone call with these and see how they do. Hey, what's up? It's Simon here. I'm testing the Earfun Air Pro 2s. How do I sound? Okay. You sound crystal clear, and I actually feel that these are great to conversate with. Again, I'm in ambient mode, so I can hear myself talk. It doesn't sound nasally. This is great. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks for picking up on me, and I'll let you go. The Earfun Air Pro 2s definitely sound great on a phone call. All right, so I hung up. The microphones work really well for a phone call. For me, it is almost as important to have a great sounding earbud with phone calls as it is with music. I love the mixture of both. I can't have an earbud specifically designed for one. And I'm often on phone calls or on the phone, so these actually would work out great if I want to use it for both environments. You could use these one at a time separately. They'll give you 7 hours on each earbud while the other charges. The case will give you 27 hours total, so you could really prolong your battery life. These have titanium drivers. I felt that they sounded really good. Overall, very impressed with the Earfun Air Pro 2s. Now, right now, the Earfun Air Pro 2s are selling for $79.99 on Amazon. The link is below. Everything is touch, so touch tap. I like that about them. Again, the left controls the left volume down, and it controls ambient and noise canceling. Previous track, the right controls next track, and so forth. You could pick up and answer calls with either. Overall, very impressive. The case is not bad. It's not the thinnest, smallest case. I thought it would be a little bit thinner, and you could have downsized it potentially a bit, but because these have such a big driver, the case feeds a lot of that and holds a lot of that earbud in such a direction. These are reviewed very well on Amazon, over 1,400 near 5-star reviews. And the pudginess of the case, you could tell between, say, the AirPods 2nd generation and the Earfun Pro 2s. So overall, very impressive. Nice piano finish. They do have this indicator that they're earphones on there. I'm impressed. I can't say these are bad or good in comparison to others, but, you know, they're really good. And here's another thing. They do pause and play. So if you take them out of the ear, they will stop playing. Overall, for $80, I'd probably go with these as well if I'm under $100 budget. So there you have it, folks. The Earfun Air Pro 2. Really excited to get my hands on these. The Earfun Air Pro the first version was really good. I really enjoyed them. I thought they were great. These are even better. The noise canceling is incredible. The transparency mode is really good. These have pretty good battery life. Very good sound quality, very good call quality. So you have some choices to make. You could definitely go with the Earfun Air Pro 2s for $80, or maybe the Amazon Echo Buds 2 for around the same price. That's a tough one. Probably go with the Earfun Air Pro 2s. These are definitely, in my opinion, better than the Tozo T6s, T12, NC2s, NC9s, that I've reviewed. So overall, I like these. I do. Hope you enjoyed this review. Give me a like if you did. Hit the subscribe button and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews.